Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to set up your indicators for MT5. First indicator that I use is on the main chart is moving average. So this is the settings, and make sure to change the color so you can see it clearly on your chart. Then press save. So if you set it correctly, that's the yellow line there. The moving average is the price of the last 20 candles. So the next indicator I will be using is on the main chart. Click parabolic SAR, and this is the settings. Click save. So these are the small dots above, above and below the candles. So what this means is parabolic SAR means stop and resist reversal. So this indicates when the dot shows on the upper part of the candle, it means that the trend is going down. And if it continues to go up and it hits the yellow dot, the trend reverses, and then you'll see that the dot is gonna show up underneath the candle. So it also signals trend reversal. As you can see here, one of the candles here hit the dot and then the trend reverses. This will continue until the next candle hits the dot and then it's gonna reverse. So it indicates stops and reversal. You can also set your stop losses on these points, on these dots, and uh, and if you're trailing your stop loss, you can also use this as references. Next one I am using is relative strength index or RSI. That's the settings. Period 14. Apply to close. Then levels. You add 5 levels and just copy this. And then change the color to your liking and then save. So it adds a new indicator window underneath your main chart. It looks like this. So the red line indicates the trend of the strength of the buyers or the sellers. If it goes up, meaning the buyers are strong, and if it reaches a certain point, it's called being overbought. Same thing with the other direction. If it goes down, meaning that the sellers are strong, so it indicates here it's a strong buy. So if it's being oversold, the market needs to correct it, and somehow it's gonna need to go up back to bring balance. So this indicator just mainly gets used for which side is stronger, if the buyers are stronger or the sellers. You can see a value here. This increases uh, with a graph. So the value goes up if the trend goes up. The higher the number, the stronger the indicator of the buyers. And the lower the number, meaning the strength of the sellers are stronger. The last one is I just add another moving average on the indicator window. If you see here, that's where I click and then move on a moving average. And that's the settings. Press save, and that's it. It's the same thing as the other one, but when you're looking on the RSI, you can see the trend on where the price and the RSI are going, because these two are correlated. If the moving average is going up, that means the RSI must be going up too. And you can use this if this is a strong indicator. For example, if the moving average is going up and then this one is going down, meaning the sellers are taking over. And if it reaches the overbought area, you can consider on selling, because the market needs to correct itself, and when the sellers take over, the price is gonna go down as well. That's two confirmation, so you can enter a sell or a buy. So this is how I use this. Just a disclaimer: follow at your own risk and do your own research before doing this, and find another other confluences before doing this strategy. So what I do is how I use the dots. So I'm looking at the dots here, and I'm looking at the moving average. If it starts to dip like this, and then the RSI goes, and the RSI starts to go down to the seller's strength, I am considering to sell. So what I wait is for trend reversal. If the dot on the next candle, if on the next candle shows a dot on the upper part, I am going to sell, put a sell position the moment the dot shows up. If all of the three are connected, the moving average is going down and the RSI is going down, and there's a dot of the over here for the parabolic SR, I'm going to enter a sell position here. And then I just put my stop loss above the dot, and then wait for till the trend reverses. So if it goes my way and it actually goes down, I just move my SL on my entry position for a risk-free trade. And then if it continues to go down, I just take profit when I'm happy. That's how I do it. Thank you. So how do I use these indicators when I'm entering a position? So let's check for past here. What I do is I check for a candlestick that is testing the moving average line. For example, this one. I'm gonna zoom it. Oh, this candle body, this candle right here. It's testing the moving average line. So what I look for is for the next candle body to close below the moving average line. So the next candle here closes below moving average line. So you want the body to close below the average line, not the wick. So if that closes below the moving average line, and then the next, I look for the parabolic SIR to show up on the upper part of the candlestick. That's the second indicator for me. And then I look on the RSI. If the RSI is about to go down, if it's facing down, going down like this, that's three confirmations for me to enter a sell position. So the moment I see this, If it closes below the candle body, below the moving average line, parabolic SAR shows up on the upper part of the candlestick of the chart, and then the RSI is going down. I immediately enter a sell position. As you can see here, if you enter the sell position here, it continues to go down. So when do I exit? I exit when I like the profit, or when the next dot appears underneath the candlesticks, signaling a trend reversal, as you can see here. But if you continue to hold down, you can see it went down further. So what you can do is use the parabolic SARs as your trailing stop loss. So if you set your trailing stop loss here on the last dot on the upper part, it wasn't, oh, it got hit here. So if you didn't move your SL, it continues to go down. As you can see, that's a long sell position. So you can review past you can backtrack and look for other positions, as you can see here. There, it's going up. Then this candlestick hits the parabolic SR and it signals a trend reversal. The candle body closes underneath the moving average dot, and the RSI goes down. It's immediate sell position. I mainly use this for 1 minute time frame and on gold. So hope this helps you with your trade. And just a disclaimer, past results may not reflect on the future trades. So just make sure you're putting SL and TP when happy.